Hi everyone, how are you doing all? I hope you are doing well. And today I will talk about reading habits. My name is Preeti Sharma and I am a native Hindi speaker and I am speaking English in my 40s and whatever I learned from my journey, I just want to share with you so that you will get some helpful insight and you will be a fluent English speaker. If you are a beginner, maybe this problem you are facing that what should I read if I am beginner? So I am telling you that from my experience, when I started, there was not any clear guidance. So I was confused when I was taking classes. You can start reading storybooks. And why I am suggesting this storybooks? There is a scientific reason. My grandfather and my grandmother, they shared a lot of stories about Akbar Birbal stories and of Mahabharata stories and Ramayana stories. So they shared a lot. So subconsciously in our mind, those stories are there, and in that way we learn our native language. So I suggest you that in the same way you start reading these Mahabharata stories, Akbar Birbal stories. So start reading all these books. When you start reading story books, subconsciously or indirectly you start to feel that connection with that language. You have understanding about those stories, that what is basically in those stories, so you can understand, but that is in the English language, so you start to connect with that language. So my motive is to tell you that don't take it as a grammar or translation, take it as a connection, as a daily part of your life. So when you start reading storybooks, you feel that connection. Second thing, what you can read, that is, I always suggest that what is your need and what is your greed. What do I mean by this? What is your need? Suppose if you are a student, if you are a working person, or if you are a housewife, so your needs are totally different. If you are a student, maybe you want to learn something technical and there are so many subjects. So you can't avoid that. You start reading related with that. A working person, so many things are changing every time and maybe you want to excel in your job. So you start to read. Our mind always work on need. If you are not working what is needed for you, you are not going to do it for a long time. So start reading something, whatever you feel that it's a need for me. Okay. And what is your greed? Greed is something like, suppose whatever you are in the present situation, but you want to be something and you want to learn something new, whatever you like. What is your greed? Like, for example, if you are a student but you want to go in public speaking, or if you want to in future you will go abroad, so you want to learn English, so you can read something in English and related with that, some body language or something confidence. And if you are working, want to enhance in your personality. Suppose in future you want to do something, maybe it's also happens right now, it's happening. So in future you want to do something else, so you can read related with that, like financial management or share market or health related something, anything. So start with the storybooks and what is your need and what is your greed. In this way you will find what you like, because no matter how many things I will suggest you, you are not going to do that, because that is not your personal choice. I am just throwing it. Your mind is not going to accept. So you are responsible for you. So identify what is your need, what is your greed. But yes, in the beginning, definitely 100% go with the stories books, go with the light materials. Suppose you are liking novels, so you can go with that, okay? Because that will give you a connection. You feel connect with that language, and that connection is important, because language learning is not a subject, it's an emotional part of your brain. And in this way you will get it easy. Maybe in the beginning you can feel some difficulties, but when you do it, when you will continue it, for 15 to 30 days, you will enjoy it a lot. So I hope you will get helpful these videos and you will apply all these tips in your daily life. You will start reading, and now you know that why reading is important, and definitely you will choose whatever you like. If you are liking this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more information. I am going to make a series about reading habits, whatever is required, whatever is important. So we will meet in next videos. Till then, bye bye. Thank you so much.